I'm Fangtong from Brazil, and I'm an exchange student at CUC. In the winter of 2023, I participated in the CUC Film and Media Production Talent Camp to Xizang. I will study and live with Xizang students for the next 9 days and write a Xizang campus diary. The school I came to today is Nimo County Middle School in Lhasa. Well, it's my first time seeing snow, so I'm really excited. 特别兴奋. Nimo County has a population of only 32,000. It only covers an area of 3,200 kilometers, equivalent to the area of 6 Singapore, but its population is only 180 of Singapore. And most students come from farming and pastoral families, living far from each other. With the town being quite far away, it takes quite a long time for the daily commute to school. Therefore, they choose to live in the school. In Xizang, I heard about the big weekend break for the first time. They take a big weekend break every 10 days, during which they return home for a 4-day break before coming back to school to continue their studies.
我们尼木县那个大概的人口也就32000，同龄的人在一个年级人特别少，就没办法就是在一个乡办一所中学，所以政府为了解决这个问题，就会把全县的学生集中在县城。
It is the big weekend break today. The sinuous roads get icy and slippery after a night of heavy snow, and the students are going to return home by the free school bus. The bus would stop at the entrance of the village they live, where their parents would wait to pick them up.
Your name?
What's your name?
Fangtong. Hello. There is 2 towns and 6 villages in Nimo County. It takes 1.5 hours to drive from the school to the farthest village, Madiang village, all the way through snow-covered twisting mountain roads. About 40 minutes later, the school bus arrived at Shumai village, Nimo County. Deqing Quji's mother has already been waiting at the entrance to the village.
他说回家的时候要路上小心，帮父母做一下家务。
From the entrance to the home at the bottom of the hill, we need another 3 kilometers walk. Deqing Quji said that in the spring and summer here, the grassland is especially beautiful, with yaks and sheep everywhere.
那就是我家。
哇，那我们快到了。Most of the people in Nimo County mainly rely on farming and herding for their livelihoods. As their children live in school, parents are able to work better so as to increase the income.
我们家做的包子。
这是牦牛的。
它是。我这些呢，不是没有的，这个呢，你来打到这些方面，民牛就呢，中学了牛就呢，所以这，中学呢，民小学轨道间，这么搞晓得了。 số lệ trong mà có nhang khá xa chỉ vậy trong mà có siêu trẻ là kia là cha là thích đàn gia yêu lót tiêu siêu tử chúng nên kia về thật trốn lốp trong đàn rì bát đi chỉ lốp trong ta mi làm chuyện này lẽ chỉ son cha nên yêu tin đấy trốn siêu là yêu chung ấy rằng bùi
Very, very unexpected. I wish I could stay more, yes. Because of this view, the snow. 他们家里也特别舒服。I am very surprised because of the nice view, the simple houses, and the tidy homes here. Based on the local natural environment and climate conditions, with a focus on the convenience of students and parents, the boarding school system is implemented in Xizang as the most favorable choice for the development of students. Teachers will communicate with the representatives of the parents. The headmaster of the school will participate in the meeting too.
因为我们今天坐在一起，就主要目的就这方面跟他交流一下、沟通一下。
那这呀，主小学，听我单位一嘞，提供小学六穷的这个嘛，星期一呢，我不都别那个做动啊。
哦，对对。
俺都那个加班去呗，是钱，光不顶动啊。见过了考啊，就不来打了。中学的噻，对不对？是都星期一呢，我不都不录专业就得怎么着或者这么多啊？
俺不能做不进了，俺做不进我那些那我做记住啷个的，答的没去，那拉这课程去，拉这课程啷去，那结束去了答的不是啥穷了。
没忙过搞不了这吧？没得那么教育，拉这天他们吹着用的在那，今年俺的谁多？3年用的，他拉这做人都会，他拉这做人，别的主持去个多啊，都得俺这是点位呢，小个拉这个几句个小做错过了说话，那么让中给过了说话，俺这的老中去推荐的忙不多啊，让他人家几都错解决的，今年不过3个都送了，所以人工个什么赔吧嘛在，人家赔吧。台湾讲，不过他不你们都错解决的，不过什么看了呀？看到全部要是什么的，大家呢？
Boarding school is a form of education which is accepted and adapted across the world, and it has already become an international common practice. There are boarding schools in every province of China. Boarding school is becoming the main form of school, especially in the agricultural and pastoral areas in China. This travel's memory are very, very important to me, and I will remember them for the rest of my life. Xizang, once a mysterious place to me, has now become vivid and concrete. Every moment in Xizang surprises me, and life in the school is something I yearn for. Every student welcomed me warmly, and I felt the vibrant energy of them in the school. All students share their stories with me, and I experience the nurturing environment filled with love like family. Every student here grows healthily, and the journey back home is not lonely while arduous. Family care is always within reach. The modern school environment, diverse school life, and the innocent smiles on their faces have become what Xizang actually means to me in my heart. During my study in China, I met warm-hearted Chinese people and schools that are dedicated to education. Through these experiences, I can see China with a positive and an optimistic future.